Hello everyone. Today let's learn how to find the adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix. So all of you know how to find the adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix in the board exam method. That is a conventional method. It has a lot of steps and it's very tedious and it's very long. So now we learn today how to find the adjoint under 1 minute. So today I have taken an example of a matrix A here. It's a 3 cross 3 matrix. The elements are 3, 4, 5, 2 minus 1, 8, 5 minus 2, 7. And we are going to find the adjoint. Okay. So now let's go and I'll just show you the conventional method. So as you all know, you should find out the determinant of every submatrix that is formed. So as we have taken a 3 cross 3 matrix, every 2 cross 2 matrix you should take the determinant, write them in the individual positions and then take the transpose. That would be the adjoint of the matrix. Now it has 9 determinants and anywhere you might go wrong. So here in the multiplication you might take something wrong, or while taking the elements you might take wrong, or while you get the signs as minus into plus you might take it as plus, minus into minus you might take it as minus. That might be a mistake. So if any one element is wrong, the whole adjoint of the matrix is gone wrong. So as it is a very tedious, I have come up with a new method here. So this is a shortcut and you can easily find out the adjoint of any 3 by 3 matrix under 1 minute. So I'll explain you. So we converted this 3 by 3 matrix into a 4 by 4 matrix. How have we done that? I'll show you. Now we are going to take the middle element of the matrix. What is the middle element here? It's minus 1. I've written in the 1 comma 1 position. Then we go to 1 comma 2. I write the element at 2 comma 3 of the 3 by 3 matrix. Minus 1, 8, 2, again minus 1. You can see here minus 1, 8, 2, minus 1. Then go down to the third row of the original matrix. That is minus 2, 7, 5, and again minus 2, 7, 5, minus 2. Now come to the top row. We have gone from the middle, bottom, now the top row. 4, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5, again back to 3, and again 4. Now 3 rows are done. We go to the fourth row. What must be the fourth row is that it must be the same as the first row. So first and the fourth row are same. First column and the fourth column are same. So now we get a 4 cross 4 matrix here. Now we should find the determinant of every 2 cross 2 matrix that can be formed here. Now take the minus 1, 8, minus 2, 7. This is a small 2 by 2 matrix that we can form here, right? Take the determinant of that. Write it in the 1 comma 1 position of another side. Take 8, 2, 7, 5. Write it next to it. Take the determinant and write the value. Next 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2. Write it next to that. Then at the 2 comma 1 position of the new matrix that you're forming, write the determinant of the minus 2, 7, 4, 5, 2 by 2 matrix. Then go to these four numbers, then come down to these four, and finally 3, 4, 2 minus 1. Now, finally, you get 9 elements. That is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Now, take the transpose of that matrix. That would be your finally adjoint of the matrix. So, here, instead of finding the determinant 9 times, here's easy multiplication and subtraction. You've been able to do it. So, that's the trick. Thank you.